Hi guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be sharing with you the experience which I had with the Thunderbird 350 AVL engine. So one fine day I was riding and my engine went off. I could not figure out the problem, so I had to push the bike back home. The problem was with the engine kill switch. It was short or burnt out. She used to start and go off as you see. The spark was very less, so I thought it was the CDI, and I changed the CDI a couple of times. So I went to return the CDI another time, and the storekeeper gave me my money back, said he didn't have any more. So the issue is with the faulty kill switch. I have not changed it for now, but I've disconnected and it seems to be working fine. The spark also is back to normal, and the bike is seem to be pulling also pretty good. I'm not saying whenever the engine goes off that this is the problem. It was a very easy fix, which I didn't know at that time. But if you have tried everything with the spark plug and all, and if your bike engine is still stalling, then maybe you can try this. I'm not a mechanic or the electrician. This is just my experience. Hope this video was helpful to you and hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Peace.